What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have a new package for the Corvette. It's the BC Racing BR Series coilovers. When I ordered these, it was supposed to be the extreme low version. I haven't seen anything in my paperwork that verifies that, so we're just going to assume that's what they are. If they're the regular version, that's fine too. My options were to go with BC Racing or the Fortunato 500. As I'm not tracking my car, nor am I daily driving this car, I decided to go with the BC Racing because of the price point. It's a great entry-level coilover for the money, and I think it will do good for what I'm going to use the car for. If I were to track it and or it be a daily driver, I would have probably went ahead with the Fortune 500s because they have capability of being rebuilt, but if my research is right, you can rebuild these also. Like I said, it came with paperwork, stickers, and some warranty cards, and you got your big BC Racing sticker and installation instructions, all that fun stuff. This is a brochure of the different coilovers that they offer, the DS series and all that, the RM series for different brands. There's really only one option I know for the C5, and that is the BR. I think they do offer the DS, or maybe it's DR, BR and DR, or DS. I can't remember. Some more stickers. Excuse me. This is a warranty card that they send you. So I guess if something messes up, you can send them to have something done to them. All right, so we'll get this one out of the box. As you can tell, it's already been opened. Here it is. Look at that. That is an awesome coilover. And this is my first set of real coilovers coming from the Honda world. Way back in the day, you just wanted to get it in the dirt, put some wheels on it and get it as low as you could, and you didn't really care how it rode. So we always went with the $50 coilover sleeves on your stock struts and blowed your struts out in 6 months, and then you just kept riding and didn't really care. Excuse me. But these are the BC Racing. Like I said, this is your height adjustment. It does have the 30-way adjustable dampening here. And these are the back. And you do have a left and right. I don't know if you can see that. That says L. And it has an arrow on this side. And the way it's installed is that arrow points toward the inside of the car, like so. Of course, you'd have to turn this to mount it back to the control arm. That's the rear. I got a tickle in my throat for some reason. Beautiful day outside, and I'm trying to get a cold or something. This is the front, and it has the spherical bearing in the bottom too. Height adjustment, new washers, bushings. Height adjustment on the front is from the top instead of the bottom. The rear is on the bottom, and the front's on the top. So before I start coughing my head off for you guys on camera, we're going to end that video here. We're going to get these installed soon. Not sure if I'm going to install them before we change the wheels or after I change the wheels, but we'll get those installed. I'm pretty sure I have a C5 guy garage help me if he's not busy. So like I said, soon we'll get these installed. We'll get you an update. I don't know if I'll do a full install video like a how-to, or if we'll just do a time lapse showing you how to do it, or showing me putting them on and then adjusting them and sitting them down. So we're going to close up some of this wheel gap with these. Stay tuned. We'll let you know more. Thanks for watching.